So hi guys, today we're going to do a quick review on Kamen Rider Kenzan Sarutobi Ninja Den SHF. Alright, watch this video till the end. Let's get right into it. Let's unbox this thing. Alright, wait, which side is it? Oh yeah, this one. This side. Okay, so there's the figure. Okay. Alright, we got like 1, 2, 3, 6 changeable hands, one sword, and this one is the book. Okay,